Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zaim Ahmed, and in this video I want to share my first year programming experience at the University of Engineering and Technology Lahore in the Computer Science department. As I got admission in the UET, I started my programming, and like every programmer, I started my programming with the Hello World. Then I made my first project as a business application of the sports shop management system in the C++ code. As you can see that it has two users, the admin and the employee. Admin has many options and employee also has many functionalities, many options. Then after this I can show you my first game project in the C++ code, that is basically a Pac-Man game. This is a simple game in which there is a Pac-Man and there are many ghosts, and Pac-Man have to score all the dots. Then after this I made my first individual game as the racing car game, and this is a console based game, and in this we have a player card, instructions, and also start the game that we have to reach the final line without hitting any enemy car and its boundary. Now moreover, then I started programming in the C sharp, and for this I converted my business application sports shop management system into the C sharp code from the C++ code. This is my first project in the C sharp. Then I converted the console based racing car game into the C sharp game as you seen at the screen. Then move ahead, I made my desktop applications, several desktop applications, and for this my first project is the basic calculator in which we add, multiply, subtract and divide any two numbers at any time. Then after this I made a desktop application about a simple word pad in which we can resize the text as the we can write and then change its font. We can underline it, bold it, italic. We can increase size, we can change the font size, increase, decrease its size, and we can also show number of lines and number of letters of my text as you see at the screen. Then after this I can show you my first business application as a desktop application. This is a sports management system. In this there are the two users, the admin and the employee. Admin has many options as you see, as he can add the product, add a new product, and then he has the option to view all the products and to edit it and to delete it. And then there is another user or as employee, and it has also the password and it has many options, as it can also sort the list of the products that are present in the present time. And then I made my first game in the window forms in C sharp, that is the simple car racing game in which I have the two levels. Level 1 is that in the screen at the screen. Then after this I started my game project in converting in the framework. So it also has the two levels with the framework of firing, collisions and movement. This is the level 2, and after this we can restart and we can again move on the level 1, and there is the firing and also the enemy cars. Then at the end of semester I started programming in the Python code, so I converted the sports management system, the business application, in the Python code, and it also has the two users, the admin, employee, and admin has also multiple options, multiple functionalities, and then the employee also has the multiple functionalities. So this is all about my first year programming experience at the UET Lahore. So that is all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.